guys, I just got some mail and I wanted to share it with you. My hair is one of my favorite features about me, and I have been doing the balayage going into blonde, but I did have really short hair and I'm trying to grow it out now, and in between waiting for it to grow I use Zala hair extensions. So I've just gotten a new product that they've got, and it's the Zala Keratin. And I haven't seen many reviews about this, so I'm going to do my own little review for people who are interested in looking into them. And they're so much cheaper than going and doing the clip-in extensions, but also as opposed to tape extensions. I've been doing a lot of research about getting tape hair extensions or the weave-in extensions, and I just find the price a little bit too much right now. So this is my little alternative. The old ones that I used to have, these are the beachy blonde clip-in hair extensions. It comes with 5 rows of hair with the clips, but I am just finding that my hair is not really covering them too well, and I find I get a little bit of a headache when I have all of these clips in because there are 5 rows of them. So these are the beachy blonde extensions, and they match my hair really well, which you would have seen in a lot of my photos. And now I'm going to open up the new extensions. So Zala always provide a care package with the extensions that you get. I'm sure this is just, oh yeah, my little invoice. So these are Keratin Pro Halo hair extensions. All their hair extensions come with shampoo, conditioner, and a little treatment for caring for your extensions. And these are a little bit longer than my ones that I've had previously. So these are just a 16-inch, and I'm pretty sure I went for the 20-inch this time. Let me just double check. I have a feeling these are the 20-inch hair extensions. So they're the same color as what I had before, but instead of all the clips this time I have gotten the halo. And inside they will always give you instructions on what to do. There's different ones you can get. You can get a ponytail, you can get tape in from them and take them to a salon, you can get the clip-ins and the halo. They are so long and the material feels so good. Woo.